right, so today we are going to be working with having more fun since Halloween here in the United States is happening in just a few days. I thought it would be a fun idea to add some sound into our bodies that will bring us into a lighter state and a more joyful state, a more playful state. So, for those of you who are new, this is something that I do every Tuesday. My name is Sherry Nichols, and I am so thrilled to be here with you. This is an opportunity for you to give yourself 10 minutes, 10 minutes to absolutely just be for you, just showing up for you, giving yourself this self love. And so go ahead and get comfortable. The sound vibrations are a wonderful way to get centered again, clear out anything that may be bothering you from the day, clear out any stress, worry, doubt, fears, and to bring you back to home, bring you back to center, bring you back to balance. And one thing I do want to mention, a lot of times people will say that, you want to raise your vibration. And what I know is that your soul is the highest vibration imaginable. So it's not that we have to necessarily raise our vibration, it's that we have to clear away all the sludge, the fears, the worries, the doubts, all those heavy energies that are really creating more of an imbalance to our the energies within our body. And so that's what we're looking to do with the sound vibrations. It's really like shaking things out. What the sound does is that it brings our cells into an optimal state of health. So not only is it great for emotional health, but it's great for physical health as well and mental well-being. It's just an overall wonderful tool to use in order to maintain a healthy mind, body, and soul. So if you've got earbuds and you prefer to listen that way, go ahead and grab them, sit somewhere comfortable or lay down, give yourself this 10 minutes, and we're going to get started. I'm just going to put the mic in a proper location so we get better sound. And as I'm doing that, go ahead and start taking in some nice deep breaths at a really comfortable rhythm that feels good to you. A slow, deep breath. And as you're doing that, go ahead and take in an even deeper breath. And hold it. Hold it to a count of 4 and then release it. And as you take another nice breath like that, where you're inhaling to a count of 4 and you're holding it to a count of 4 and then releasing it to a count of 4, just feel your body starting to relax and start to create an intention for this time, whatever that is for yourself, but connect to an intention. And imagine giving to God, giving these emotions that don't serve you, just releasing them, surrendering them, sending them back to love, but releasing them from you so that you can naturally bring your vibration back to its highest state by releasing all the energies that want to squelch it or alter it or create a wobble. Just give yourself permission to let them go. Anything heavy, anything burdensome, just ask yourself, what will it all matter 10 years from now? Will it be something that all will really matter to me? And most of the time that answer is no. So just be willing to let it go. Everything is so circumstantial, and so we don't want to live in our circumstances. We want to live in our truth. And our truth is that we are a very high vibratory being. We're light, we're energy, and yourself permission to release and let go. Nice deep breaths. Imagining all your cares and worries flowing away with ease and grace. Sinking deeper down, feeling the support of whatever you're sitting or laying on. And now begin to open. Open your heart, open your mind, open your soul to a time of joy. Bring to your memory a time that you remember that you were having fun, that you had a sense of playfulness. And if you've never had that, imagine what that would be like. Use your imagination. It's one of the greatest faculties that we have. Use your imagination. Imagine the way you did as a child. Opening up your creativity and saying to yourself, silently or out loud, I am creative. I am creative. I am creative and I create playful, joyful times in my life. And focusing on the throat chakra, the expression of your creativity. I express myself. I express my creativity with ease and grace. express my playful side, my fun spirit, my sexy soul. My fun and playful side is inspired. I allow my true self to flow forward, uninhibited, unencumbered, free and open. I laugh easily. I find humor everywhere. I see the fun in life every day. My heart is open and joyful and playful. I am lighthearted. And I express it all with love. And may these beautiful, playful sounds continue to work as long as they are needed. And may you take this playful, light attitude into the rest of your day and attain an attitude of lightness and fun and free expression really every day, so that you may experience more joy in your life. Sending you lots of love.